In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Zoom app on iPhone. Open the App Store. Search for Zoom. Download the Zoom app. Once it installs, tap Open. You can join a meeting without signing in. Or tap Sign In to use your Zoom account. Enter your email and password. Or choose another sign-in option if you use Google, Apple, or SSO. Zoom may ask for access to your camera and microphone. Allow these permissions so meetings work properly. You can also allow notifications if you want meeting reminders. Once set up, you can start, join, or schedule meetings from the app. And that's how to set up Zoom app on iPhone.